This 2021 Leisure Travel Unity U24RL is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel. This 2021 Leisure Travel Unity U24RL is built on a 2021 Leisure Travel Unity U24RL, Spacious and SLE chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.